What's up guys, it's your girl Jackie, and today we are back with another video. And today we are going to be doing a slime video for you all. So today I am here with
Ella,
and this right here is my cousin. And how old are you? 10. And I will be linking her channel down below. She has like one video up, but yeah.
It's called Fun with Ella.
So I will link her down below if you guys want to go watch her, and I hope you guys enjoy this testing out slimes without using ELMERS glue video. And let's just get started. Alright, so the first slime we're trying out is using this peeling off gel mask. You guys can't read that, but that's what that is. And it is the Freeman Renewing Cucumber Peel Off Gel Mask. So we're just gonna squeeze some in and see. You guys can add however much you want, but we're just gonna add about this much in. So the next thing we're going to be adding into this little slime is some glitters. This is completely optional, but we're just using this to make it a bit glittery. So we're going to take the purple glitter and just add it into the mixture. And once again, you can add however much you want. And then we are going to move on to the next step, which is mixing glitter into the gel mask. And we're going to be using a chopstick. You guys can use a spoon or whatever you want. Alright, so we are making this a fluffy slime. So the next step we are using is this little shaving gel. Shaving cream. It's not going to focus because my camera hates me. But we are using the Skintimate shave cream, and just gonna shake it up a bit and then pour it into the mixture to make it fluffy. And you can add however much you want. This will just thicken up the slime and make it fluffy. And then we're gonna mix it into the slime. And then the slime turns into the color, which is like a whitish shade. So the next step we are going to do is to actually activate the slime. So first we are going to be putting a couple pinches of this baking soda into the mixture. And then after that we are going to go ahead and take some contact lens solution and mix some into the mixture. And as you guys can see, it's already starting to become a slime. So our first trial is working. Alright, so once you have finished your solution activation with however much baking soda and contact solution you decide to add, you pick it up with your hands and start kneading it like this, and as you guys can see, it worked. So now we're gonna do the little beauty slime guru swirl. I don't know why I just said beauty guru, but the slime guru swirl. Did it work? Yes. Now start doing the... So yeah, there's that. And this is a successful slime. Ta-da! Now on to slime number 2. Alright guys, so for slime number 2, we are going to be using this Bath & Body Works Paris More shower gel. I have no clue if this is going to actually work, but we are going to be using the same way to do it with the contact lens solution and the baking soda, and we are going to be making this a fluffy slime as well. So we're gonna squeeze however much shower gel as you please. And then the next step is shave cream.
Okay.
Now we're gonna take some baking soda again.
And add a couple pinches.
Alright, so instead of using the BioTrue contact solution, we are going to be using the Opti-Free one. There's really no difference, they're both contact solution. But this one just has more, so we're just going to use this. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we're swirling this thing around and it is just not turning into slime. So slime with shower gel from Bath & Body Works does not work. So we are going to move on to trial number 3. Alright, so trial number 3, we are going to be using a different form of soap. Instead of body wash, we're going to be using Dial, and this is just an antibacterial hand soap. So we're just going to pump a few squirts into the container. And then after that, we are going to put the next step in, and once again, we are going to be making a fluffy slime. And also, if you guys do not have any contact solution and baking soda, a good alternative to use is Tide.
And now we are going to add a little more glitter. It kind of, whatever the glitter color is, it kind of turns the slime into, so it's kind of green.
You guys can't see the color change on camera, but it did get a green tint from the glitter.
And now you're going to add in a few pinches of baking soda again. Okay, that was another fail.
So trial number 3 was a flop as well. Let's just try adding another pinch of baking soda to see if it works with maybe a little more oomph.
It does make it thicker. Ooh, should we try adding the gel?
Okay, so this did not work once again. So let's go to our last and final trial. Alright guys, so our next trial is with this Play School washable school glue. It is not ELMERS glue. It is a different brand, so we are going to see if it works, because online it says that any glue will work as long as it has PVA, I believe, in it. But this didn't have an ingredient list, so I do not know if it has it in it, so we are just going to see if this works. We're just gonna pour the entire thing in there. Alright guys, so the next step we are doing is shaving cream, because this is a fluffy slime once again. And we're using the same shaving cream.
Okay, and now if you would like, you can add in some glitter, and I'm going to do all of the colors this time. Okay, now you're going to mix it.
So the next step we are doing is adding in the baking soda once again, and we're just going to add a few pinches in and then mix it around, and then add a few more pinches and then add in the contact solution.
We're going to add in the contact lens solution on top.
If you guys can see this, it is becoming a slime-like thing, so we're just gonna keep adding the contact solution until it becomes a slime, because this one is seeming to be like it is working.
And if you also want, you can add in hand sanitizer for scent.
But as you guys can see, it's already started to become slime.
Okay, so now that the slime is starting to form, and then now I'm just going to take it off the chopstick, and then
we're going to take it in the hands and start mixing. As you guys can see, it is slime. Alright, so now that it is all kneaded, we're just going to do the Slime Guru specials. And there's the slime swirl. So it passes all the slime tests, so this is a successful slime.
Yeah, and it's really fluffy. Like, it just feels like shaving cream in your hands.
Alright guys, so that is the end of our slime video. We have now successfully done 2 slimes. So if you guys did enjoy this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment your thoughts down below, and subscribe for more of me. I post videos every Tuesdays and Saturdays at 8 p.m. Pacific time. So I hope to see you guys there, and if you guys do want to see more of me and her, do not forget to leave your thoughts down below, and her channel will be linked in the description down below. So leave us some feedback, and I hope to see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye!